I want to thank you for the new subscribers. Hello and welcome to the channel. Howdy! We are back with another episode. And on this episode today, we will install insulation on the wall. Why do I use rock wool why do I use rock wool and why I'm not spraying foam spray all over? Because I read on the internet a lot about the spray foam, and if it don't dry correctly, you start breathing in those chemical fumes and it's not good for you. That's what I read, and that's why I choose to use rock wool. I was thinking to use the sheep wool, but it's expensive, so I went for rock wool. So here we go.
The first wall is kind of done. I had a problem with my camera. It didn't want to film me. And
I did use my mask because this rock wool, when it gets in your mouth and in your lungs, it's not nice. Alrighty, the other wall is done too. Awesome. I tried with the double tape to. I tried to double. So I tried to stick double tape on this poly plastic barrier tape, and it didn't stick very well. So I'm gonna go with No More Nails sealant. I'm just gonna go on a frame, just first bit. I'm gonna try how that sticks to it, because what it says holds in 0 seconds. Let's try. Oh. I guess you want to clean it first. Oh. Oh, what a rookie you are, Robert. Ah, nice finger. Let's try it again. It does hold in 0 seconds. So that's what we're gonna do, yeah. We're gonna go with that one. Where is it? Yeah. We will go with this. No more nails. And yeah, we're gonna go all the aluminum studs we're gonna apply with this one. And then piece by piece gonna stick it on. And see how that goes. I'm happy with this. Let's do that. First wall done. Looks pretty good. I like it. Let's go for second wall. Both walls are done. Happy me. Beauty. Still need to do the bottom one. I need still the bottom part, but I will keep it open till I'm putting floor in. I think next video or after next video there's gonna be floor video. I will see how that goes. And now I want to cut this pulley. Cut this one out. Yes. I want to say thanks for watching, and thanks for getting that far. If you get that far, I'm gonna start again. This is the end of the video, end of today. Okay, let's try it again. So thanks for watching. This is end of the video, end of today. I'm happy to finish both walls and that one. And yeah, I'm happy with the work. And yeah. Thanks for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then consider to subscribe if you get that far, of course. And yeah, I see you on the next video. See you on the next one. Bye.